Welcome to ECN Trade Daily Video. Before we begin, it should be noted that any advice is of a general nature only and that your personal circumstances have not been taken into consideration. Hello everyone, my name is Rob Clayton and thank you very much for joining me. To open today's webinar, the Australian dollar is struggling as the market now retreats from the recent highs around 75 cents from last week. Now looks towards the downside of 73.70 and lower down towards 73.10. In light of the current weakness, we could actually see the market fall even lower through 73.10 and on towards a potential target of 71.40.80, but reassess from there. That is a broader picture. However, 73.10 is the key to the downside. Looking towards the top side, resistance now comes in around 74.60.70. The euro, with the Italian referendum nearly coming to an end, the market is actually finding quite heavy supply and now looking towards the support of 104.70 with the bullish divergence nearly negated. Could actually see further weakness sub 104.70 and look towards 102.40 as a potential target. So do keep that in mind from a break of 104.70. Towards the top side, resistance comes in firm around 105.60 and higher from 106.60. Dollar yen still weak and still falling away from the highs of the 114.70 region. With the break on Friday of 113.80 should see further weakness and expose a target of 112.40. Now, although I expect demand to come back or return from that region, a break beneath 112.40 would expose another down move towards 110.30.40, but at this stage I'm not overly convinced the market will be that weak. However, if the key levels are taken out, then of course I will be looking towards that 110 region. The resistance now coming in firm for the start of this week of 113.90 to 114.25. Sterling on Friday rallies and takes all the shorts out, and now on a weaker note for the start of this week looks towards a support of 126.40, which is now being challenged. In light of the heavy supply that's coming through this morning, we could see a move down towards 125.60 or lower towards 124.40.70 region and reassess from there. The key event for this week is with the Bank of England rate decision could look towards the 123.60 level, and in favour of a break would see a further move down towards 120. Gold still very much weak and still at this moment challenging the region around 1,184. Now in light of that level, if it clearly breaks through that 1184 to 86, then we could see a further move up towards 1,190 and reassess from there. A break beneath 1,170 would expose further weakness and see gold move towards the 150 objective, which I expect to see further demand to come from there. And to wrap up with oil, the big rally on Friday now looks towards that 52.40 level. A break above there will give further exposure to the upside to $55 a barrel and reassess from there. With the support now coming in at 50.50, could see further weakness sub there towards 47.50, but unlikely at this stage, but do keep an eye on that level of 52.40. So that wraps my daily video. Thank you very much for joining me. And do keep an eye on that euro. If it does fall lower under 140.70, then 102 could be the objective. Again, thank you for joining me and have a great day ahead.